Hello, I am Russell. My ID 247048. My teacher Dr. Lee Ansat, and I use well-fake dataset for fake news analysis and objective fake news classification using machine learning and dataset source fake news classification on well-fake dataset from Kaggle. Name of sample 72,134 and number of feature 4 and unnamed title text label, and these two are categorical and unnamed and label is numerical. Here I use this command for download the dataset. Then I am using this library for analysis, and I upload the CSV file, and I will show this type of analysis. Now this is my dataset overview, and here unnamed column is not necessary, so that's why I drop it. And to remove the computational cost, and here is the bottom of dataset, it is the top of the dataset, it is the bottom of the dataset, and show the shape 72,134 that was mentioned before, and TF info. This indicate the data type, object, categorical and integer. This indicate the label of the text, and it indicates the fake news. It indicates the it indicates the real news. It indicates the fake news. And now check the null value, and I check the null value by heatmap, and here is something happening. We can check it. Yes, we got the null value, and I handle it. Here I search the uh, free space, then I send it the null value into it, and here is no null value, and numerically I checked 0. Visualization: understand the target. Our target variable is level. Here indicate level 0, and here is level 1. This indicates the real news. This indicates the fake news. And now we use word clouds, and shade is big because it is used vastly. That's why it indicates it looks big. And here this is the real news cloud. One said it looks big because one said those are used vastly. Text processing, we use stop word. You know about the stop word. And I use remove punctuation. Punctuation is this. To remove it, not necessary for analysis. Now we use lemmatization. Then finally we use TF-IDF vector. It convert into vector form, and then we operate the dataset training dataset, training and testing, and we use the model function. This is used for naive multinomial bias and Bernoulli bias. You know, naive bias is three types, but we don't use uh, Gaussian naive bias. This is not for text. This is used for real-time value. And multinomial naive bias, we got 0.87 accuracy, and this is manually checked. We got the accuracy 0.88. Now, and this curve is very beautiful. This is perfect. And Bernoulli naive bias got 0.85 accuracy, and we check manually. Yes, we got 0.85. We have used, and we got the curve very well. And logistic regression we have used already, and logistic regression we get 0.95 accuracy. Unbelievable. This is very complex analysis, I think so. And eventually manually check, evaluate manually, and we got the accuracy 0.95. And the rock curve is very good, and visualize three things, 781 and 95. And now I can operate the interesting one. Let's go for up. Here is, yes, this I copied, yes, copied, and I will evaluate the text and enter. Now the text process and lemmatized and text vector, TF-IDF vectorization, array, and we'll check one. Three models give one. I mean your text, your news is real news. And save good ML model for development and load the model, and after loading the model we can check again individually, and individually we check logistic regression, and we got 0.95 accuracy. And this is our summary and conclusion. Highest accuracy 95.1 and strong ability to capture text page pattern, and multiple numbers is a strong baseline 87.7%. Thank you.